heck was that?
No sé, cagano. El letrero por poco me rompe el culo.
English, dude. English. Dude. 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 Dude.
Cano, rompe, cano, cano,
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 Dude.
rompe.
English. English, dude. English.
And then you will have a test. You will have to work with some of our materials.
Sometimes near with a straight A students, but sometimes I was a straight
Yeah.
A student, and it wasn't hard for me to study.
I try to be tolerant. I work as a psychologist every summer in a summer camp, and I have to work with very difficult children. But sometimes, and quite often, my son just gets on my nerves.
At first, when he was about first time when he was 3 years old, it was the first time when I flew off the handle. I was so, furious. I really don't remember what he did, but he kind of misbehaved. And since then, I've promised myself to pull myself together and try to be as calm as possible, so that not to ruin his,
Psyche?
his psychic, because I can easily snap as well. Okay, and I even try to pick students to work with, like the ones that I'm able to teach without being, without being a monster. Yeah, because sometimes I know I've got a couple of.
So were you bullied by your peers?
No, I didn't. I have a lot of friends, and our class was friendly. I have easygoing classmates. We did together homework. Were some issues. They helped. They helped us to deal with it.
All right. But you would agree that bullying definitely takes a new form. Because I see that a lot of teenagers, they now like to record everything, yes, videotape, and then what they do, they immediately upload it on YouTube as one of their greatest deeds, like as they want to be proud of something they did. So aren't you afraid, that your kid might be bullied, and as a result?
I have a friend who buys a new fur coat every year. And I bought it once, and I didn't like it.
I'm going to talk to you about Gidra scooter. There is the. Have you ever heard of it?
Hoverboard.
Really? What?
What exactly you're talking about? You're talking about a toy for your kid?
Yeah.
Hoverboard.